today's episode, we're going to be working on a germ. I don't know if you can tell by my voice that I'm a little sick. Alright, let's cough right in.
Just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me. You do not know what I have in mind. I packed our bags, we'll be on our way. The night was long as I waited without a sign. 'Cause I know what matters to you. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. It's been 72 weeks in this town. I still believe I'll see you again. No matter what, I got off the ground for something that matters to me. But what do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, then suddenly the chances are small, just like the lottery. I just hope we could stay together. We wait and see, but the chances are small, just like the lottery.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh, you, ooh, ooh. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around could pass us by, a thunderstorm, a lightning strike.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I am currently sick. I believe it's the flu, or maybe not a flu, maybe it's just a cold. I don't know. Scuffy nose, keep coughing up. You know, we've all been there. Hard to breathe. Very little energy. Less energy than I normally have. But, you know, surprisingly, the last time I got sick was maybe about 7 or 8 years ago. I actually never get sick, which is pretty crazy that I'm actually sick this time. I don't know, maybe I've grown weaker over the days. Anyways, I ended up making this because I kind of felt like this, kind of droopy and disgusting. At any rate, 2018 is now over, baby. Now we're gonna begin a new slate, hopefully sick free, left all those germs and all that negativity in the past, and onwards to a bright, beautiful 2019. I don't know if any of you actually make any resolutions, New Year resolution goals. 2018 was my first time that I actually did them. I usually kind of trail off or just forget about it. And this year I was watching, I think it was Lavender. She's another YouTuber. Pretty cool, very interesting stuff, very helpful for planning and stuff. Anyways, so I ended up printing out my whole 2018 goals, and I actually made 2 copies, one towards the exit out of my room and the other one I pasted in front of my desk so I can kind of look at it. Anyways, it's pretty cool. I made 4 goals and I completed 3 out of the 4, which very, very nice, because actually, like I said, I never do them. I don't know if you guys do them, but if you guys are interested in doing them, I recommend doing that. Just write them down, print them, type them up, and put them somewhere you're gonna see them for the rest of the year, and then just kind of look at it and take action. You know, just do. No more of this not doing or just pondering and wasting time and all that stuff. Anyways, I'm starting to ramble, and I have to apologize again, because if I sound like I'm sleepy or out of breath, I'm not. I'm actually wide awake. I'm just like I said, I'm still sick, so sorry. And let me know what you guys think, thought, all that fun stuff. Hit that subscribe button, smash like, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out.